Hello guys, alright, this is Miracle Osajele here again, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to set up Pixel for your website, right? How to set, not just how to set up Pixel alone, and also how to set up events on your website using what? A particular plugin called Pixel Card, right? I know most of you must have not heard of that name before, called Pixel Card, right? But this is another solution I'm showing you today how to get it done, how to use the Pixel Card. Now, Pixel Card is a plugin that allows you to use just the Pixel ID, not the Pixel code, just the Pixel ID, because most of you know that when you have to set up a Pixel, set up Facebook Pixel on your website, you need to go and start looking for the code, right? Your Pixel code to insert on the header section of your website. Or no, this is not how this one works. How this one works is you have to take the serial number of your Pixel ID of your Pixel, then take it to your WordPress website and then install it. So I'm going to show you how to install this plugin, how to activate this plugin, and also how to insert this particular Pixel ID and then start tracking sales immediately. All the landing page you have, you can start tracking them immediately and then start making sales, right? So also using the Pixel ID to set up pixels, right? Set up event and all of that. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to run Facebook ads on this particular YouTube channel, right? So if this is the first time of coming to seeing these videos on my YouTube channel, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button so that whenever I drop my videos on how to set up Pixel, you are going to be the first person to get access to that video. All right, so most of the things I drop here on the YouTube channel is free. You don't have to pay any dime for it. Now I'm going to be showing you how to set up Facebook Pixel and set up the event using the plugin called Pixel Card for free. All right, see you on the inside. Hello guys, so this is Miracle Osajele here again, and in this video I want to show us and teach us how to set up Facebook Pixel for your website, right? Most of you guys know that Facebook have changed a lot of things concerning setting up Pixel for your website, and now it's difficult for you to actually set up Pixel the normal way you normally set up Pixel, right? Now the thing is, I'm not going to be show you the complex way of setting up Pixel. I'm going to show you the simple ways you can actually set up Pixel, right? The simple way you can actually set up what? Your Pixel. Now before you set up a Pixel, you must have one or two things, such as you must have a domain name before you set up a Pixel, right? Now when you want to set up a Pixel for your website, there must be a domain name, right? So that you can be able to track the record of people who are coming to your website to take a specific action, either by buy your product or you generating leads, right, for your product or business, right? So now here is my Facebook page, my Facebook ad account, where I'm going to be setting up my Pixel, right? I can see that these are a fresh account, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys through on how to actually get everything done. So like I said before, you must get a domain name, right? So this is my domain name, this is my website that I'm going to be using to this is my website I'm going to be using to run my ad, right? So this is the domain name, look at it, scripts.codewebits.top, look at it here. So this is the domain name, right? Then all you need to do is to come over down to where you can set up your Pixel, which we have the event manager, right? The event manager. But before we get access to this, let me quickly show you how to get access to this particular area. So what is remaining here is for me to put in my domain name, right? So if now let's say this is my domain name, this is my ad manager, right? All I need to do is to come down here to my domain, to my ad manager account, right? Come down here, click on all tools, then click on event manager. Look at it, click on event manager. So this is the first step you need to start by creating your Pixel. Do you get? This is the first step you need to start by creating your what? Your Pixel. So we're just going to wait for it to load up, and then let's see what we get at the end of the day. So let's wait for it to actually load up. Let's see what we have next. And again, before we continue, let me quickly show you guys something. So there's a plugin called Meta Pixel Helper, right? Meta Pixel Helper. So it's a Chrome extension, right? So kindly open a new tab on your Google Chrome and then type in Meta Pixel Helper. When you click on it, you're going to see we have chrome.google.com over here. So once you click on it, it's going to give you access to where you can actually install the extension, right? Now let me tell you what Meta Pixel Helper does. Meta Pixel Helper helps you to know if your Pixel is working on your website, right? Now you can see we have Meta Pixel Helper. It's a remove from Chrome. It means that I already have it there. So all I need to do is to come down to this place where I have okay, this is the Meta Pixel Helper, right? If you don't see it, all you need to do is to come down to this place called the extensions. Come down to this place, it's called extensions. Then you can see it there. So I pinned it, that's why you are seeing it here. So if I don't pin it, if I don't pin it, then you're going to see it's going to disappear. So if I pin it, it's going to appear there, right? Why I pin it is because I want to be seeing what I'm doing, right? Good. So now you can see, all right, so this is it for me to set up my pixel, right? So I'm going to come down here and click on connect data source, right? I'm going to click on connect data source. So once you click on connect data source, you're going to click on website, click on connect, right? Then all you need to do is to insert your name. Let's say code Miracle, let's say code Miracle Pixel, right? So once you click on create, it's going to create and take you down to this place where we have where to put your website. Do you understand? So you can see I already have script code Webbit Pixel down here. Now why I did not click on create here is because I don't want to create multiple pixel, because I'm not going to be using the new one I'm creating right now. So this is the one I want to use right now, right? So this is the one to use right now. So I already created it. I just want to show you guys how I actually got get the name script code Webbit Pixel, right? Now I'm going to copy the domain name. I'm going to copy this domain name right here. I'm just going to copy it like this with the HTTPS and everything. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Then we have here, I don't have a website. If you don't have a website, you can actually click on I don't have a website, but I have a website, right? So all I need to do now is to click on check. Okay, so now you can see it has shown us a green check sign. So click on next. Then we have get guidelines, do it yourself, blah blah blah. Just click on next. So these are one of the things that Facebook just brought up newly, and it's somehow confusing and all of that, but I advise you read everything before you do whatever you're doing. So just click on next again. Click on next, the same thing, just click on next, or you can click on skip. Click on skip, right? Skip. All right, so then click on get started. So it's going to load up where to set up your partner. So all I'm going to do is to click on close, because I don't want to set up any partners, right? I just want to set up my pixel. All right, now you can see this is the pixel that I created, the pixel name I created, rather. This is the pixel name I created. So now what I really need here is not the pixel name or the pixel code. Now if I want to set up the pixel, normal we set up pixel is using setup meta pixel, then install code manually, right? Now you click on that, it's going to take you down to this particular way. I'm going to copy this code and go and insert on your website, right? No, I'm not going to be doing that. Now let me show you what I'm going to be doing at the end of the day. Now what I'm going to be doing at the end of the day, so all I need to do is to come down here to where we have this pixel ID. Look at this, the ID here. I'm going to click on this, highlight it and copy. So once I copy, then I'm going to come down to my website. Now there's a plugin to install called Pixel Cart. Now let me show you down here. When I scroll down, you're going to see we have Pixel Cart. How do you install this? All you need to do is to come down to plugins, click on plugins. Once you click on plugins, it's going to show you. Once you click on plugins, it's going to show you all installed plugins, right? All installed plugins. So all you need to do is to click on add new. Click on add new. So once you click on add new, on the search bar, you're going to see we have it at on the search bar. Just come here and type Pixel Cart. Is it typing? Okay. Pixel Cart, right? So we're just going to install that pixel called Pixel Cart. So I'm going to click on it. Look at it here. We have Pixel Cart Conversion Pixel Manager. So you can see we have active. We have it active. So all you need to do is to click on install and activate. So once you click on install, you now activate it, right? Install now. Look at it. We have it here at install now. So if this is the first time you are doing that, you're going to click on install now and then wait for it to install and then activate it. It's going to show you a blue button called activate. All right. For example, let me show you. We have quiz card. I'm just going to click on install now. Install now. Good. Then you can see activate, right? Good. So that's how you're going to do. So once you do that, you're going to scroll down in your this thing, and then you're going to see where we have the Pixel Cart. Now I want to set up Pixel Cart for script.codewebbit.top, right? Now I'm going to come down to where we have my Pixel Cart. Click on the Pixel Cart. Click on it and wait for it to load up. Now this is what you need to do. Now you see the pixel code you copied right here. Look at it. I've copied it. So if you want to press to copy, the shortcut of copy is Ctrl C. So once you have highlighted it like this, right, Ctrl C, then copy, just come down here and paste the ID here. Paste the ID here. Make sure it is correct. Make sure this is what you have there. So 31659 ended it. 31659 ended it. 180,654. 180,654. Right. So that's how it started. So now I'm gonna come here, look at it here, and then nothing like include page. Just go ahead and click on save. Right. Go ahead and click on save. Make sure it's on Facebook Pixel, right? So go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save, then come down to where we have add Facebook event. Click on add Facebook event. Then come down here. We have page visit, right? Leave it here on page visit. Then come there and select the pages you want to run ad for, right? Select the pages you want to run ad for. So if I want to run ad for this page alone, I'm just going to come down here. Okay, let me just start from 1. We have 1, 2. Okay. All right, so let me start from this one. So we have how to build a Korea logistic website with live map, right? So I'm going to click on this now, right? Now, what you need to know is this. You can put in many pages that you have designed as per your landing page, right? You can put it many pages as you have designed as per your landing page, because I'm just going to be using one pixel ID to set up every other event for this particular website. Do you understand? So I'm just going to come here now and add more, right? You can add more, add more, add more, add more, right? So I'm going to set up an event for all of this. Now why I'm doing this, because I want to run more, I want to run about 10 different ads as it stands now, right? I want to run about 10 different ads for this particular domain name that you're seeing here. So there are about 10 different landing pages that I have here. That's why I'm adding them up. So but if you have one, just all you need to do is just click on the one that you have and add it here, right? I'm just going to include everything that I have here. Please make sure you're not confused. It's very simple to do. It's very simple to do. Okay, it's very simple to do. Okay, good. Now that I've set up that, so now we have our event. What is the event? So the event is going to be view content, lead, add to cart, blah 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 blah, and all of that, right? Now let me tell you something. You see what we have here? I'm going to make every landing page that you see here to be view content. I want it to be that when people click on the landing page like this, let's say domain name / the how to develop an engineering company website, right? Now once they click on it, it's going to be shown as a view content kind of website. Then after that, I'm going to be setting up another event. Now I'm not going to be using the WordPress to set up that. I'm going to be setting up another event from Facebook, right? Then I'll be tracking either the button or the URL. But here I'm going to be tracking just the URL, so that anybody that clicks on the script.codewebit.top / how to develop an engineering company website, right, is going to be viewed as view content. So if we have thousands of persons who comes, let's say we have about 5,000 persons who comes to how to develop an engineering company website. If we have about 5,000, Facebook is going to record it and say that 5,000 persons viewed this particular content. Do you get now? 5,000 persons viewed this particular content. In fact, view this particular URL, this particular domain, this particular landing page. Do you get it now? Good. So if we have about 10 persons, 20, 100 persons that clicked on the button to actually buy or purchase anything, Facebook is also going to record it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that in how to do that using your Facebook event setup too, right? Good. So this is just for the pixel cart. So I'm going to click on save. I'm going to click on save. So look at them. These are all the pages that I've set up, right? Good. Look at them. So make sure everything is working fine. Okay, fine. Now that I've done that, all I need to do is to come down here, click on save or settings, right? Save or settings. So click on save or settings. You can see it says settings saved. Good. Settings saved. Now all I need to do now is to come down to my event setup to here, come down here. So I copy this, right? Come down here and then click on test event. Click on test event, come down to test event, then come here, come here. Probably before we test our event, let me show you something. Let's quickly come here and open this particular domain in another browser, in another tab rather. So let me quickly open that. Okay, so this is it. Then let me come down to this place now. So you said once I click on this extension, the meta pixel extension, once I click here, you're going to see say we have one pixel found on script, blah blah blah, and all of that. So this is the pixel code. Look at it, 18654. Then we have the ending one, 31659, right? So that's the pixel code that we actually installed, which is the pixel ID, right? Good. So they have found a pixel, meaning that there's a pixel. So if anybody comes down to this script.codewebby.top and click on any of all these landing pages that you're seeing here, automatically they are Facebook going to track it that somebody landed on these pages as what view content. People actually viewed this particular content. But now what I need to do now, let me first of all test this particular domain, if the pixel is really working. Now if I want to test now, all I need to do is to come down to my WordPress website here, go to pages, then I'm going to copy one of these sites. So let me open this in a new tab. So this is the landing page. So I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to copy everything that is here. I'm going to copy it, Ctrl C on your keyboard, Ctrl C, and then come down to my event manager here, right? Okay, good. You can see script.codewebby.com. You can see why now it is already showing. So I don't even need to test anymore. Now reason why it's showing here is because I opened this particular domain in another new tab, right? I opened this particular domain in another tab, and then at the end of the day, it's showing me that there is pixel there on the website. Have you seen it now? So now that's why you can see showing view content, because why that particular website has been viewed. Okay, oh, look at the one I viewed. Yeah, so it was this one that I viewed. Look at it. I viewed this particular domain, right? So it's showing me that somebody have viewed this website. That's what I explained before, right? Now that somebody have viewed that, so now I can come here now and probably try to maybe download for international client, click to add on WhatsApp, blah blah blah, right? So if I do anything like that, so Facebook is also going to recognize it that I've taken actions on that particular step, right? So now let me come back here. Let's see what we have here. You can see I clicked on the button. Have you seen it now? I've clicked on the button. Good. So it means that my pixel is working perfectly. So all I need to do now is to go down to where we have our event set up to. So let me come down to overview. Right. Let me come down to overview. Okay. So I'm just going to refresh. To refresh, Ctrl F5. That's hard refresh. Let's see what we have here. Let's see if we are going to be seeing where we can set up our event from our Facebook manager. So let's just give it some time to load up. All right, it's loading up, right? Yes, I refreshed it. So the very first session we were seeing before has vanished, right? So good. Look at it. Scripts code Webbit pixel, right? Good. Script code Webbit pixel. So that is it. So let's just wait for it to load up. Okay, now good. We're just going to wait for this guy here for it to detect the website. So we are going to wait for it to detect the website. So all you need to do for us to wait, you need to keep triggering this particular domain. Do you get? So let me open this in a new tab now. You need to keep triggering each of these domain, each of these particular stuff. Keep triggering them, right? When you keep triggering them, this guy is going to come up, right? Probably if it did not come up immediately, all you need to do is to wait, right? Give it some time. So this website is going to come up here. So once that website shows up there, showing that there's a pixel on that particular website, I'm going to show you the next you're supposed to do next. So once you do that, that's how you're going to get access to install setting up your event from your Facebook event manager. Now this is not from your website again, right? So let me see what we have here. Okay, so what you need to do, just you need to hold on, wait till we have this turn green, right? Just wait, give it some time till we have it turn green, right? Now if it doesn't turn green, there's nothing you can do, right? There's nothing you can do. So you just have to give it time to come up, right? Like I said before, you're going to be seeing here, it's going to show your website. It's going to show your website name. So all you need to do is to wait, kindly wait, right? Kindly wait for it jejely and wirely, right? Good. Kindly wait. All right, so now that I've refreshed, you can see my domain name has come up. So look at it there. So now what I need to do now is to come down to where I have manage integrations, right? Then click on manage. Look at this, we have Mesa Pizza. Click on manage, then now click on open event setup too. Now this is where I want to set up my main event. That's the action that I want people to be taking, right? So now I'm going to copy one of these domain name. Okay, let me copy this and bring this in. Copy that domain name, I'll paste it here, then I click on open websites, right? I'll click on open website. Let's see what we got there. Okay, yeah, let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, this is it. It has opened. Okay, so let's wait for the next session to load up. Okay, so this is it. So now we have the Facebook event setup too, right? Good. So now I want to track buttons. We have the download now, download for international client, and we have the click to chat on WhatsApp, right? So I'm going to click on this track new button, and then click on this very first one, select an event, and that's going to be, we're going to make that add to cart, something like that. So let's do add to cart, initiate checkout. So okay, in this process, when they make payments, it's going to take them to where again? Where are just taking them to? You want to make payment, take them to where they're going to make payment, and then automatically they're going to be make payment, and then they're going to go to my WhatsApp. Okay, good. So I'm going to click on initiate checkout. So let's do initiate checkouts, right? Confirm. Track a new button again. I'm going to come here and track this one again and do initiate checkout again for international clients, right? Initiate checkout again for international client. Then come down here to the one we have contacts. Okay, this very last one here, I'm going to click on it. This very last one, yeah, click to chat. Then I'm going to make that one contacts. Then I click on confirm. Yeah, yes, I'm going to make that confirm. Then now that I've done that, I've set up 3 of this particular stuff here. Then I'm going to click on finish setup, then click on finish, come down here, click on yes, then click on submit. That is all about setting up your pixel on your website. You can see it's very simple to do, right? Very simple to do. So that's how to set up a pixel for that. So now you can see we have view content, and we're going to wait for it to load up here. We're going to wait for it to load up the view content, sorry, the page view, the add to cart, sorry, the initiate checkout rather, and the contact tracking button to actually load up right there, right? So this is basically how to set up a pixel for your website. Simple, easy. Follow this step, and then make sure you do exactly as I do, and then make sure everything is all right. Good. So thank you very much, guys. So if you like what I dropped here on this content, kindly click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and then subscribe so that you can be able to get updates on the new videos I'm going to be dropping on this particular YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. See you once again.